Understanding logistics in business. Logistics is an integral part of the supply chain and is critical in ensuring business success. The main goal of logistics is to manage the flow of goods and services from their point of origin to their final destination while also optimizing costs and meeting customer demands. Efficient logistics can reduce business costs and improve customer satisfaction. This is because it involves planning, implementing, and controlling the timely and cost-effective movement of goods and services. Logistics also encompasses various aspects such as transportation, warehousing, inventory management, order fulfillment, and reverse logistics. It requires effective communication and coordination between all parties involved in the supply chain to ensure smooth operations. The logistics industry is a fascinating world, much like a game of chess, always strategizing, always planning. At its core, logistics refers to the management and flow of goods, from raw materials to finished products, throughout the entire supply chain. However, it's not just about moving things from point A to B. It involves so much more. First off, let's untangle the concept of logistics processes. These steps ensure your favorite products land on the store shelves or at your doorstep when you need them. It begins with demand planning. That's right, someone out there is forecasting what, when, and how much you might buy. Next on our list is logistics management. Now, this is the conductor of our logistics orchestra. It involves coordinating various elements such as transportation, warehousing, and inventory management. You might wonder what role distribution centers play here. They are the epicenter, ensuring that the products are stored and ready to be shipped or delivered. Speaking of inventory, it's not a guessing game of eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Nope, it involves keeping track of stock levels and ensuring that there are enough goods to meet customer demand. Trust us, there's nothing worse than an out-of-stock sign when you've been craving that special something. Now, to keep this logistics train running smoothly, information systems are employed. They track and manage the flow of goods, providing visibility into every stage of the supply chain. This allows the logistics professionals to make informed decisions and optimize efficiency. In essence, logistics services are all about getting the right products to the right place at the right time. And that, my friend, is the beauty and complexity of logistics. You might wonder what happens if something goes wrong. Well, that's where logistics troubleshooting comes into play. It involves identifying and resolving any issues or disruptions in the supply chain, ensuring that your favorite products still arrive on time. But wait, there's more. In recent years, sustainability has become a key focus in logistics processes. With environmental concerns and global warming, companies are turning towards sustainable practices in their logistics operations. This includes reducing carbon emissions, minimizing waste, and implementing eco-friendly transportation methods.